guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, my name is Betty. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this beautiful makeup look that I have here. I'm feeling myself, guys. Even though the world is crazy, things are happening, I'm still feeling myself. Guys, just let's get it popping. Let's just, make up and feel good about ourselves. I can't go to the nail salon because I can't risk my life. I don't want to go to the nail salon, so I'll be doing a nail tutorial for you guys. If you are interested in seeing this nail tutorial, make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Turn on your notification button and also make sure to thumbs up to this video. Guys, as you all know, we are all at home, we are quarantined, and we are staying safe. So this is the time that if you don't know how to do makeup, this is the time for you to stay home and learn. So grab your stuff and let's get this makeup popping. Let's feel ourselves a little bit. So guys, I think I'm talking too much. Let's jump into today's tutorial. You guys, you know how the world is not fun at the moment, so we're just doing something to entertain ourselves. That's why I'm here. My son is playing at the background. They are all home. My daughter is home, my son is home. They'll be distracting me whilst I'll be doing this video, so please just ignore. If you see anything, just ignore and enjoy this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my brow, but before I do my brows, I'm going to apply my primer, and the primer that I like to use is Rimmel Stay Matte primer, and I also use my Neutrogena serum. I love this serum, guys. I'm going to apply a little bit and here. Yeah, this is a Neutrogena serum and it's a rice protein serum, guys. It's shine free as well because I have oily skin, so I don't want anything that is going to make me shine. I've already applied my Neutrogena moisturizer, so here my face is moisturized already, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply my primer as well before I do my brows. I'm just gonna apply this primer on my face, mostly on my T-zone area because that is where I easily get oily, and this primer is very good for oily skin, so I always say it's very good for oily skin. So I'm going to leave my primer on and let it dry a little bit before I apply my foundation. Foundation that I'm going to apply today is Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm going to apply it with my beauty blender. So this is what my daughter did to my beauty blender. Don't judge me, she took my beauty blender and poked, but I really do love this beauty blender, so I'm still gonna go ahead and use it. Beauty blender does take a lot of foundation, like it absorbs a lot of the foundation, so that is why I like to use Maybelline Fit Me foundation, because it's not that expensive. I can't afford it, and also it's a good quality, so that is why I love it. Guys, I'm done applying my foundation, and as you can see, my face is still settling down, and I love this foundation because it gives me a full coverage. So I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro HD concealer, and the color that I'm going to use is warm honey, and I'm just gonna highlight my face, underneath my eyes, my nose, my chin, and my forehead. So at this moment, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend. This is in the color Warm Sun. On top, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Guys, I'm using my Rimmel brow pencil, and I'm this is in the color black brown. I'm just defining my brows. My brows take so much time, so I just want to be quick with it. So I'm gonna go in with a dark brown and use that in front. So I'm gonna use my tinted fiber gel, and I'm just gonna brush that on top of my brows. Concealer that I'm gonna use is my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This color is 45 tan, so I'm just gonna use that, and I'm gonna use the same LA Girl Pro HD concealer in the warm honey as well. I'm just gonna blend these two and put it together. I don't want it to be too hello, so by using this shade from my Morphe palette, and from then I'm gonna use this shade as well in the same Morphe palette, and I'm gonna use those two as my transitioning color. Next, I'm going to use my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to use that on my eyelid because I want the eyeshadow that I'm gonna use next to pop. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my J. La Rue eyeshadow, and this is in the color White Gold, and this color is so pretty, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Laura Mercier, and this is in the color Golden Gleam, and I'm just gonna dab it on top. So I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty matchstick, and I'm just gonna define my fat cheek. As you can see, my face has no definition, so I'm just gonna make sure I get the definition that I'm gonna blend everything. I'm gonna go ahead and use my CoverGirl Queen bronzer. So underneath my eyes, I'm gonna use this shade, and I'm just gonna blend it underneath my eyes. For my lip liner, I'm using my LA Girl lip liner, and I'm just gonna define my lips. So for my lips, I'm using my Milani lipstick, and this is in the shade Adorable 120. So guys, I already sprayed my setting spray, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my highlighter. I didn't really want to use highlighter for this look, but so guys, this is the finished look. Even though I'm not feeling my nails, I'm feeling myself. So yes, make sure to thumbs up today's video, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And stay blessed, stay safe. Make sure you keep your distance, you wash your hands, you use hand sanitizer. When you sneeze, use your elbow. So, and also if you want to greet, don't shake hands, guys. It's not advisable to shake hands. So alright guys, stay blessed and see you on my next video. Bye.